Hello everyone, this is Vietnamese fish sauce chicken wings, one of the dishes that PokPok is famous for, and the chef needed to go to Vietnam to learn how to make it. I will show you how. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. That means a lot to me. Thank you. So here I have a pot of water, salt, vinegar, ginger, garlic, onion, and I brought to a boil, and now I blanch my chicken wings. The reason I do that, I want to get rid of the animal smell and clean the wings. You don't need to cook too long, 3 minutes. When the water start boiling again, remove. And now we have chicken wings. You can wash it again or you not. And now I am seasoning it with salt, sugar, pepper, and garlic powder. This is one of the convenience here. Normally in Vietnam, and the chef that learn from the Vietnamese chefs, that they need to mince garlic, pound very finely, and add water, and then they squeeze the water to get this garlic water to season the wings. But in the United States, you have fabulous dry granulated garlic powder, so I used it. It's very fragrant garlic flavor aroma. So you can marinate it for at least 15 minutes or overnight. Then sprinkle your wings with rice flour. The reason we use rice flour because that it makes a thin crust, crispy but thin. Now this is the ingredients for the sauce: fish sauce, garlic, chili flakes, oil, and in the pot I use the oil and heat it, and I tested it. It is hot enough, and I drop my wing in. Remember, don't crowd your pot. You need them to have room to get fried. So I fry about 10 minutes to get them cooked. You can test it by pop into the thick part of your wing, and if the juice run clear, then they cook. Then you increase the heat and fry for 3 more minutes each side to get it very crispy. And you remove and drain. Now, on the skillet, I add 1 tablespoon of oil, add garlic and chili flakes. I have a teaspoon of chili flakes. If you have the level higher, you can add 2 teaspoons or you get 1 tablespoon. And I add sugar and I get it go for a minute, and then I add my fish sauce and I let it cook until it thicken. To help it thicken, I get 1 tablespoon of slurry. That means 1 tablespoon of water with 1 tablespoon of flour. The flour I just use for the wings left over. Don't let it go to waste. So I add it here and add to the sauce. You can see the sauce is nicely thickened. Now you drop the wings in, and the sauce will immediately to coat the wings. I'll let the wings hold in this shape because that is what PokPok do. So it's a little tricky for the sauce to get on around, so I get spoon to spoon over. And that's it. You're done. You can remove and enjoy. You can see it's so easy, and when you eat it, it's so flavorful. Leaf mutton dish. Fingers food. You need to lick your fingers. That's good. Now, to keep it true to PokPok dish, I use mustard green, red mustard green, and pickles. This is special pickles that I made for the new year. You can use the sweet and sour pickle. This is sweet salty pickle. So it will be adding another dimension to the wings. You need to come back to see how I make this pickle. Very nice, crunchy, salty vegetables. I think that's good enough. Anytime you take the pickles, you need to use very clean utensil, and you notice that I push everything back in the water. That way you can keep your pickle for a long time. Now that's it. If you give it to someone, they will be very happy. See you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.